Hello! This week we will be talking about careers. This is the first of a two-part series of career assessment. We will be discussing the difference in a college transfer degree and an associate's in applied science degree. Which one are you in? Why? Do you want to transfer or not? Let's explore. Module 2 has been designed to help you target the right educational programs for meeting your future employment goals. Module 2 has been designed to help you target the right educational programs for meeting your future employment goals. The assignments for this class will focus on your own personal journey to find a career that not only earns money, but that matches your interests and abilities. Let's talk about career interests. John Holland developed a theory of personality that focuses on career and vocational choice. It describes most people according to 6 personality types: realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. Most people fall into multiple categories, but each individual has 3 dominant possible choices. Each of the 6 interest areas described a broad field of similar work tasks and activities. Each interest area also describes people's values, motivations, and preferences. There are a collection of typical job tasks that pair with each. Just know that there are unlimited career opportunities. We're only going to cover a few. The Strong Interest Inventory matches Holland's 6 codes. It can help identify college majors, work style, and careers that match personality type. Let's see how Holland's RACIC matches with majors and careers. Remember, this is only the tip of a very large iceberg of career possibilities. Can you see how many of these overlap? Let's talk about pharmaceutical sales for a minute. You do not need a healthcare background for this lucrative job, but it certainly helps. If you're not happy with your job, then you're probably making everyone around you unhappy too. Think about fit. Would someone who's outgoing and likes to be around people do very well in a job where he or she is sitting alone in a cubicle or in an office entering data on a computer every day? Maybe not. Personality is one of the many factors that guide our behavior. Our actions are also influenced by our environment, our experiences, and our individual goals. The aspect of the mind shows how we interact with our surroundings. The energy aspect determines how we see the world and process information. The nature aspect determines how we make decisions and cope with emotions. Our tactics aspect reflects our approach to work, planning, and decision-making. The identity aspect underpins all others, showing how confident we are in our abilities and decisions. We have discussed being happy in your job, being a match for who you are and what you do. Let's take a realistic look at what a college degree can do for your earning potential. There are factors that surround your life. Take a look at these questions. Give some realistic answers to build your own future. Now, let's talk about that degree. What degree are you in and where can it take you? Here is an overview of the higher education system in the U.S. Just as a side note, we are the only country in the world, that's right, the whole world, that has a community college system. Okay, so we're the only country with community colleges, right? Want to be impressed and even more impressive than you already are? Hold on. North Carolina has one of the largest community college state systems in the United States. Yes, we have 58 community colleges and we were all under one state system. And guess what? FTCC is the 4th largest. In summary, you are impressive. You are unique. You are in a college that basically has no equal in the world. Enough bragging. Let's talk careers and degrees. 2 plus 2 equals 4, right? So a 2-year degree at FTCC plus 2 years at a university equals a bachelor's degree, right? Not always. This is where it is essential that you talk to your academic advisor or an admissions counselor. Here's the basic makeup of a bachelor's degree. Most of the first 2 years are comprised of English, math, social sciences, humanities, science, and other more general types of courses that teach students how to do research and how to learn at a college level. The last 2 years are the focus of the bachelor's degree. Sure, there are a few courses students can take in the first 2 years that are part of the major, but the last 2 years are where students start to concentrate on their major. At FTCC, we offer the first 2 years of core or general studies as a foundation for the bachelor's degree, called the College Transfer or Associate in Arts or Associate in Science degrees. We have 2-year degrees referred to as an Associate in Applied Science degrees, and many of our 2-year AAS degrees pay very well. While we do offer the first 2 years of a bachelor's degree, it is in your best interest to meet with your academic advisor. Let's discuss your major a little further so you can see why it is so important to talk to your advisor. Here's an example. If you want to teach at an elementary school or high school or beyond, you should be in an Associate of Arts or Science degree. Teaching requires at least a bachelor's degree. Some positions, like those in special education, require a master's degree. So, if you're in an early childhood degree here at FTCC, you are not setting up a direct path to a teaching degree. In other words, the courses you are taking in that AAS may not all transfer to a four-year university, and you may find yourself taking a lot more than 2 years to finish and become a teacher. Please ask your academic advisor for assistance. The same goes for business administration or computer technologies. The best thing you can do is talk to your academic advisor if you are in a specified degree path at FTCC.